Alright guys, so don't mind the horrible lighting. It is like 8 p.m. right now, so the lighting in my garage is really bad. So I only have this light, which is not that great either. So I'm going... Okay, moving aside. We are going to be doing a music video reaction to NCT. NCT 127, it's their new unit from NCT. And like, oh my god, it's called Fire Truck. So it's about to be lit up in here. So we are gonna react to that. I hope I'm gonna be in focus because of this lighting. I might be blurry like my EXO reaction. That was just horrible. Anyways, we're just gonna react to this. I'm not ready because NCT has been ruining my life. And those teaser pictures just like, okay. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so this was from the teaser, I believe. Okay. And then there's that girl. Okay. Oh. Taeyeong rapping! Oh my god! Oh! Hey, feeling the vibe, hey! Hey, Haechan! I'm still trying to learn the other members' names. Oh my god, TAEIL! Oh my god. I can tell, oh my god. Oh! Okay. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, there you go, Mark. Let's go, Mark. Let's go. Oh my god, YUTA! Oh my god. I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm feeling the vibe. Oh my god. Oh, TAEYONG. Oh my god. Okay. They're walking into an office. Okay. And they're just gonna fuck shit up. Oh! Fire truck. Oh my god. Hey. Oh my god. So they just start spraying water at those people? Oh my god. Oh. Ooh, they be exchanging drugs? No, I'm kidding. Hey. Dance break though. Just some random dancing here. Oh! Oh! The beat though, I love it. Okay. Okay, what are y'all gonna do now? Why on the child though? Why are you gonna spray him with the hose? I'm kidding, okay, in the ending there's like a child outside and like, I'm guessing the grandma is supposed to take care of the child, but she's asleep and NCT is outside about to like spray the hose on a little boy and was just like, what did the boy ever do to you? No, I'm kidding. Oh my god, but this is really good. I have to listen to it a few more times in order to be like, oh my god, yes, I love it. It's good, I like it. And oh my god, they all look so good. Like, oh my god, and then Jaehyun rapping was just like, yes! And then TAEIL, oh my god, yes, those vocals just slay me. And then TAEYONG, oh my god, just everyone, oh my god. Yuta's hair though. Can we just talk about that? Like, don't know. YUTA wine. Okay. But oh my god, it's really good. I really want to pre-order this album, but like I said, I don't have money. I'm trying to save that for KCON, so I might buy the album at KCON. I don't know. But this was lit. I love it. Fire track. Okay. So yeah, that is the end of my reaction, guys. And yeah, until the next one. See ya. Bye.